SSL works at the transport layer within the OSI. You know, the OSI has all these different layers that will cover a data link and network and transport. Now, some people have a problem with saying that SSL works at the transport layer because you can actually find resources that say it works at the session layer. And we'll actually go over this again when we go through telecommunications, and we'll cover the OSI model. But really, the OSI model is trying to draw boxes around reality and say this functionality takes place at this layer, this functionality takes place at this layer. And so it's not like you have code that's in these individual boxes. You know, the code all works together. And the different resources will say that SSL works at the transport layer, and another resource may say session layer. And it's not that one is right and one is wrong. It's that really SSL has two different protocols. There are two protocols, and one works at the lower layer of transport, and the other one works at the higher layer of session. So, you know, for the CISSP exam, they put it at the transport layer. So some people who don't fully understand what the OSI model really is will get upset and say that they're learning the wrong information because they've seen it somewhere else at the session layer. And that's not true. The other resource we could say is wrong, but neither one is, because SSL's functionality covers part of transport and part of session. It's just where that resource is going to say at what layer it is. So for the CISSP exam, it's at the transport layer.